already 4:04. I wouldn't want to waste everyone's time over here. So we'll start with the webinar right now. Well, today's webinar is about affiliate marketing. So let's start first with the sharing the screen. Okay, so today's topic is work from home. And with specifically in work from home, we are going to deal with affiliate marketing. So I'll be showing you about affiliate marketing. And first of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Murtaza Ali, and I help people grow with passive income. Uh, I'm usually I have four modes of passive income. One is drop shipping, Amazon marketing, affiliate marketing, and the fourth is coaching. Now, what is the passive income source? Do everyone know about a passive income source? Can anyone just tell me in the chat, like, what is the passive income source? Okay, should I start once again, because there are a lot of people joined recently. So I just want permission from everyone if I can start again. Okay, hello everyone. My name is Murtaza Ali, and today's topic is work from home. And we're specifically going to talk about affiliate marketing. Well, I am a passive income coach, and I deal in dropshipping, Amazon marketing, and affiliate marketing. Uh, Around the seminar, you will come to know what are these products. Right now, it might be sounding a technical jargon to you, but when you go ahead, you'll come to know what these are. So first slide here, we are talking about passive income source. I just asked the question on the panel, like what is the passive income source? So Mohammed Bhai says that passive income comes without actively participating into it. Well, you are somewhat right over here. Tahir Bhai says something which helps to pay your bills. Okay, that is right. Well, over here, passive income source is something which can be run independent of a particular location. You don't need timings for that. You don't need a particular location. You can sit remotely and you can run your job. I'm like, for example, the lockdown is the correct ideal situation of a passive income source. You don't need to go to your office and execute a job. You can do it while at home with a mobile, just a mobile PC or an internet is enough. So these are the basic resources for passive income. Even if you are for a 9 to 5 job, even after your job hours, you can do a passive income earning. So basically, in passive income, what happens is you automate your jobs, you automate your tasks, and it starts working in the background for you. You don't hire people for that. You can, even if you hire people, you can hire virtual assistants who do your job. So you don't have to have active members execute running a particular job. First of all, what are the advantages of passive income? First is freedom of time. Um, Anytime you just have to work 3 to 4 hours a day and you are all set to go. Then it reduces the anxiety and fear in you, because I mean, what happens is now you have a secondary source of income. Now, for example, lockdown is a very good example over here. Is with passive income, my income generation is already on. Though my active source of income, which was CCTV business, which I will show you later on in the slides. Then you can pursue a passion. Like, passion is like, let's say if someone was interested in any kind of field, if you are into poetry, you are into content writing, you want to sell a diet based, or you are into music, you are into any talent based jobs, you can you can work around with your passive income source. Then fourth point already covers, which I've already covered, is that you can start running your passive income source from anywhere. Just internet and mobile is enough, and you go around anywhere around the world, and your business is there with you, so you don't have to worry about it. Then another main advantage of passive income is financial stability. Is because why financial stability is because, I mean, now you have a second income of growth. So you have a multiple source of income. If one source of income is closed, your business keeps running throughout. So you are not there is no roadblock with a passive income source. Now let's dive into the details of the passive income source. Let me tell you the three secrets of passive income source. First is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is basically a system whereby, a digital or a physical product which can be sold on commission basis, and you can earn income out of it. Dropshipping business is also a very good business these days. It's like you buy a product from a supplier A and then sell it to a customer B. You are the mediator in between. And for example, let's say in dropshipping, I will explain you is if you want a razor, a shaving machine, shaving kit, you can, or let's say today's example, people are requiring digital thermometers. Now, digital thermometers are not available. So in China, digital thermometers are available for very cheap prices. You can go to AliExpress, Alibaba, and these thermometers are available for a very cheap rate. And there you book in your order, and then you can supply it to people around anywhere in the world. Let's say US, Canada, India, anywhere in the world. You just have to create a Shopify store, a website, and from there you can automate the complete process. My scope is more of affiliate marketing, so drop shipping we can be covered into this thing, but it's just to show you what are the other passive source of incomes. Then there are virtual assistants also. Virtual assistants could be like, if I have got a job of making a website, I do not need to be present in an office. I can go to any of the virtual platforms, virtual assistant platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and there we can jobs are available, and or if you want to hire someone for a website assistant, we can just web designing, we can go over there and we can just put our quote that this is my requirement, this is the website I want to design, and we are good to go. So that is this is about virtual assistant. Now let's dive. Before we begin, I have a particular question for you, which will help me know where we are going to and what is your mindset right now. First is, what are the income goals of yours? Do you have income goals in mind? Let's say for a month or for a year, everyone must be having your income goal, that this is my income goal. Because without income goal, you will not be able to, you cannot reach your destination. So it is always better to have an income goal in mind. So let's say, I would say like typically, let's say if you want to have an income goal of 5 lakhs. So if for 5 lakhs should be your income goal, and it should be defined in papers. You should be making a gold card and every day viewing those gold card. Then only you will be able to motivate yourself towards earnings. Without an income goal, it is not possible for you to go forward and think of a business. So income goals should be well defined in your charts, so that you should always, even if you have not made it, whatever be your income goal, you could say for 3 lakhs is your income goal, you could make it 3 lakhs is your income. So that will be your destination, and you will accordingly make plans of how I want to achieve this. Once you have made a monthly income goal, you will be able to segregate yourself in weekly basis or monthly basis also, or even yearly basis also. Now, another question is, why should you trust me? If I'm talking about things over here, let's say, I'm talking about affiliate marketing. So why should you trust me? So there are a couple of screens where I can show is, let me introduce like what I'm doing. I'm mainly into CCTV business. When you say CCTV in Udaipur, and you just, let me just type it over for you again. If I say CCTV in Udaipur. Now this is SafeZone Technology. Now SafeZone Technology is my own company. This is my CCTV business, and this is my actual brick and mortar store. It is a retail store in Udaipur, and you can see I'm on the first listing over here. So since I'm a digital marketer, I know how to go on with keywords, Google keywords and Google SEOs. So I've got myself listed on the tops in Udaipur. Here also, after the classified listings, when you go on the top list is the SafeZone Technologies again. So, and this is my website over here. We provide services. We provide even digital marketing solutions, social media solutions. We provide CCTV sales also. And let me just share my income, so you'll be coming to know, I mean, how I really do business and I know about things. Like I told you, drop shipping, I just mentioned to you, like drop shipping is a mode of business. So this is a website, My Dream Store, and I used to buy products from this particular. I used to means right now this site is not in action, because I mean, because of the logistic purposes. I mean, business has been stopped, so temporarily it is not. We cannot book our orders over here. But this is a typical drop shipping store. Means I used to. I mean, this was a website, and I used to give. I I used to promote my products from this particular store, and these are my ads. Like for example, these are the ads which are there. So here you must have seen in this ads manager. This is the Facebook ads manager. 13 lakhs worth of amount I have spent, and I have got 51 lakhs of business done, revenue. And this time is from 2nd April until 2nd April 2019 until 22 April 2020. So this is my income proof. So I hope, I mean, this is more than enough to satisfy you. Social proof that I know what I'm talking about, be it drop shipping, be it affiliate marketing, be it Amazon FBA also. While going ahead, I will show you other proofs also. So now when we come to the next screen over here, is why should you go for affiliate marketing? Well, affiliate marketing is a very viable business these days. There are screens over here which I will show you in detail. Is affiliate marketing? What is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a physical or a digital product which we can sell on commission. Like for example, I showed you my dropshipping store where clothings were there. What I had to do is I just to make ads for this particular product and sell it out. I had the cost price from the vendor, and I had to just put in my commission and sell it around. What I had to do is I had to run FB ads, I had to run Instagram ads, and I was able to sell. Same like this, we have digital products also. Digital products could be a software service, a SaaS service which is there, and you can sell it at a profit and you can earn commission out of it. So it has three modes. First is the merchant. The merchant is the person who creates the affiliate product, and from there it is the publisher, that is, in this case it is me. That is, I am publishing it to different medias. I am publishing it to Facebook, I'm publishing it to TikTok, Instagram. So this is the publisher. And then comes the end customer. When the end customer sees the product and he buys the product, I get the commission, and the merchant gets his cost paid. So this is the complete cycle of affiliate marketing. Are you getting me? Everyone is in sync with me. Does anyone have any question right now for affiliate marketing? If anyone has any question on affiliate marketing, please put it up on the chat. Okay, Hussein Bhai saying to please repeat it once again. Well, what is affiliate marketing? Okay, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is basically selling a product for commission basis to a third party. Okay, how does the customer, that is in details, we are going into the details how the customer is going to buy from us. First, let's understand this chart over here. In this chart, first is the merchant. Now merchant is, let's say this is the drop shipping store. Now this is the merchant. This is the merchant. My Dream Store is the website. This is the merchant account. Then second comes publisher. So publisher is me. I publish. How do I publish it? I create FB ads. Now this is a FB ad which I'm running on my page. This is Fashion Dhoon. I'm running a ad onto it. This is my ad content. This is my ad design. And if I just click shop now, it would go to the shopping button. But right now the page cannot be found because the ads have been stopped. So right now this is not working. But just to show you, digitally we can do this. So whenever the customer clicks on shop now, you get a sales over here. So this is where digitally, I mean, through ads, we generate orders. And how do we generate orders is once that ad is clicked, you get an order, and once you check out, you will get the ad recorded on FB ads. So as soon as the purchase is done, you will get a purchases clicked over here. So these are the purchases which have been done through FB ads. So like here you can see like in the previous 1 year, from April 2nd, 2019 until April 2020, 22nd April, I have made around 4,440 orders. So these are 4,440 orders which have been done, which has generated me a revenue of 51 lakhs. So I hope now that is clear for you. So this is affiliate marketing. Like I said, affiliate marketing could be a digital product, it could be a physical product also. In the current situation, physical product is not feasible because of logistic issues. Now let me say is, why do you need a mentor? Mentor is because you will I know what pains I have gone, I know what I have done, the mistakes during my affiliate marketing career, in the digital marketing career, what all mistakes I have done. And for I can give you the shortcuts, what the do's and don'ts of the business in affiliate marketing, in drop shipping, in digital marketing, for all. So since I have mastered myself already into this business, so I mean, when you pick up a mentor, you resolve all these errors, and you get out of that, and you go into a direct business over there. So this is a plus point for you, that when you pick up a mentor, it would be easier for you to do the business. Now let's check some facts of affiliate marketing. The 7 facts over here is 35% of the digital media, like the digital world, which where we are running FB ads, where we are running Insta ads. 35% of the market is captured by affiliate marketing. Rest is by other sources like big companies, corporates, and all. Well, 35% is alone by digital this thing. Now, what is the affiliate marketing total business? An annual of $3 trillion dollar of business an affiliate marketing business does. So 3 trillion is a lot. It's a very huge. Even if we get let's say a 0.1% of the 3 trillion income, we make money. Then 81 to 84% of publishers leverage the power of affiliate marketing. That means mostly digital marketers who are into digital marketing business. A lot of people are working on affiliate marketing. Without affiliate marketing, I mean, digital marketing could not be possible. Most of the brands are working on digital on affiliate marketing. In less than a year, in last couple of years, the digital marketing has been trending a lot. You have seen a 44% growth in only 2019 onwards in India. In US, it has been affiliate marketing is been quite high since 2014 onwards. But in India, 2020 now, 29, 1920 is a very high period for affiliate marketing. Then affiliate marketing can generate you a good income, a income where you could have 30 to 90% of income. Some affiliate marketers give you around 30% of commission. Some people give you around 90% of commission. So that is a very handsome amount of, I mean, this thing. And mostly 90% of income comes from digital products. Why? Because a digital product is already made. You don't need to remake the product again. So there is physically nothing to be made, no cost involved. So you can easily sell a digital market product and earn income. Then 76% of the digital marketers feel it, they feel it easy to monetize with affiliate marketing, because it is very easy. You just have to promote products. Product is there. You just have to understand the product, try and practice the product for yourself, so you will get the hands-on of what the product is, and you can easily market it out. Then 50% of the affiliate traffic is from deferred sources, and it's from mobile. So like it's proven, like 50% of the business is coming from mobile sources. So it's very good. I mean, even if you don't have a laptop or a PC, you can easily run your business. Okay. Now, next thing, let's talk about types of affiliate sources. Now, what are affiliate marketing sources? Affiliate marketing is Amazon affiliates. Amazon affiliates. Does anyone know about Amazon affiliates over here? Well, time is less, so I would just skip directly show on how to work with affiliate marketing over here. Amazon affiliates. Now, Amazon affiliates. Let's say if right now we are in need of these basic products, like let's say a trimmer. Who wouldn't want to have a trimmer? Who wouldn't want to have the beard shaved during the when there is no barbers available? So I just go to this product, and this is I'm already an affiliate over here. So this is my affiliate link. I take this affiliate link and I start posting in WhatsApp. Like let's say if I posted in these groups. Now these are the products I've posted over here. You see, this is the product description and this is the Amazon link. When a person simply clicks over here, he will go to the Amazon site and he will purchase. When he does the add of cart, what happens is, since my affiliate link is attached to it, I will get the commission out of it. So this is a physical form of affiliate product, and like Amazon, I told you. But Amazon has one issue is the margins are very less. When you are an affiliate marketer on Amazon market, you might earn maybe up 1 to 10%. So I mean, the highest profit margin, commission margin over there is 10%. Now, why Amazon does not offer much high commission? Because Amazon is already branded itself in the whole world. It is the highest e-commerce selling e-commerce platform. So they do not need to advertise the product itself, or everyone knows of Amazon. So there is easy buying over there. So it is giving less commissions on that. Then there are other markets over here, affiliate markets. There is ClickBank Marketplace. Now, ClickBank is like Amazon is a website for selling products. ClickBank is for selling affiliate products. Now, affiliate products could be anything, like I told you. It could be a digital product, it could be a physical product. Now, let's say if you are interested in keto diet, it is a diet program which which is very trending in US. So just when you type keto diet over here, you will get all these products which are related to keto diet. All what you have to do is just pick up this, click on this promote, and you have to put in your seller ID, and that's it. You will get a link generated. That link you have to promote it to your customers. How you will promote it later on, I will show you in the next slides. So this is basically the way of this thing. Another way of this thing is, let's say if you are into education field or you are into any other field. The internet seems to be a little slow here. Yeah. So if let's say if you're into education field, you can just go to education and you can find a lot of products over here. There are around 3-4 lakh of products over here on ClickBank Marketplace, and it is the #1 marketplace for affiliate products over here. So what do people do is the vendor creates a product and places it on the marketplace of ClickBank, and from there on, publishers like me pick up the product, have the commission, have the link generated, and promote that link through social media. So this is how affiliate business is done. Then another source of affiliate business is a digital Digistore 24. This is also a very good marketplace for affiliate. Now let's see this. You have seen this is a top product on the list right now, and it generates a 92% commission over here. 92% commission of 43.
Murtaza uncle.
Yeah.
PPT share करसो please.
You can't see the yeah. I'm sure.
એટલે તમે આનો પર છો ને હા.
Now, right now you can see the internet, right? You can see this.
હા, મેં ઇન્ટરનેટ જોઈ શકું છું.
Yes,
એટલે મને ઓલા
I'm trying to show both because only one screen you can share at a time.
Okay, okay, okay. Sure. Thank you so much.
Yeah. So this is the product right now. It has a 92% commission. So 92% commission is almost $40 you're earning over here as commission over here, and the company keeps 3.83 as a has has the source. So isn't it very good? I mean, all what you have to do is just promote the links, and you are earning for 92% commissions. So that's great. You can go to any niche. If you are into dance music niche, love and dating niche, green products niche, job and employment, languages, there are unlimited products over here. So these are the products over here. Then is JVZoo is also a marketplace. uh, Usually if you just browse on the internet and ask for affiliate marketplaces, you'll get dozens of them, but I've just, for simplicity's sake, I've just shared you the best three marketplaces, which is ClickBank, Digistore, and JVZoo. Then after that comes direct affiliates. Now, direct affiliates, why do direct affiliates, what are direct affiliates? Now, direct affiliate is a direct product. Let's say they do not have a marketplace. Now, let's say if I have produced some product ABC, okay, I don't want to sell it in my marketplace. I don't want to sell it on any of these stores. Why? Because I have to enroll myself. I have to get a minimum sales, and then I have to pay them as commissions also. So why don't I sell my products directly? So a lot of companies are doing. They don't have any middleman, and they are selling their products directly to the publishers, and the publishers are selling it to the customers. So there is no middle marketplace involved. So there are no commissions of marketplaces over here. So these are the types of affiliate marketing sources. Now let's go more into direct affiliate. Now, direct affiliate, why do we do the direct affiliate? Is because we resolve complexities. We do not have to understand the product. We have been given complete guidance by the team of the product. The developer of the product gives us the complete guidance of what the product is, how we can market the product, and the complete know-how of running the product. Like ClickBank and all, these are marketplaces. You cannot, ClickBank does not sell the product. ClickBank just it is a marketplace just to leverage products for you, or just to show the products. You're not connected with the end supplier over here, which is the source supplier or the manufacturer of the product. So if you have any issues, you cannot reach the manufacturer, because I mean everything is through the ClickBank channel, and only products are sold. It is not a question answer channel where it will answer your queries of into resolving a product, or if it has any technical issues. So it will not help you in that. Whereas if we have a direct affiliate, what happens is we can resolve all our problems of any issues. Like for example, in this case I showed you a physical drop shipping store, like My Dream Store. If my orders are not in place, or if they're not reaching the customers and all, I can contact My Dream Store. We have the direct vendor contacts, so we can just approach them, and we can tell them that we have why our product has not reached the customer. If the product has been returned, what is the issue for the returns and all. So it removes all those complexities. Second thing is niche market. Niche market is you have seen, like, I mean, everything. When we talk about Sony, now Sony has telephones. Sony sells even mobiles. Sony is selling TVs, DVRs, everything. So it becomes a lot complicated. I mean, you don't know which product to promote, what not to promote. You do not specialize in things. But when you are into niche market, you are specializing a particular product. You know A to Z about the product. Now let's say if I would say iPhone. Now iPhone is a niche product. I can easily, if a businessman is dealing about iPhones, when you go to iPhone showroom and you ask him any questions about iPhone, he will be able to reply to you. But if you ask him anything about let's say something else, if you ask him about a shaver, now they don't sell a shaver iPhone stores. They wouldn't know much about it, but they are specialized about the for iPhone software, hardware, be it anything. So they will be easily able to reply to you. So it becomes a very niche product. You are able to provide more quality service to clients. Like for example, again, let's say services field, you have a general doctor, a general physician, and you have a surgeon, a heart surgeon. Now, general physician salaries are less. Why? Because they are into all kind of services. I mean, if you have blood pressure, you go to a general. If you have a headache, you go to a physician. You're not specialized, so you are at a lesser pay scale. But if you go to a heart surgeon, since you are specialist of that product and you just are dealing with heart surgery, so if anything related to a heart surgery, a minimum heart surgery was not cost you less than 2-3 lakhs of rupees. So you are earning 2-3 lakhs, whereas a physical surgeon, a physician earns only 200 rupees or maximum 400 rupees per visit. So which is better? A niche market is anytime better, because I mean you can give specialized services to your client. So that's why we choose one particular product, and we do not go. Once you master one product, then you can have one product, two products, three products, 4 to 5 products at max is good enough, to run business. Then you could have supports from publishers, like I already told you. It's easy to get support from the publisher, because I mean we are just talking about that particular product. Okay, let's say for my iPhone is gone bad, I can just go to my iPhone showroom, sorry, service center, and I can tell them that this is wrong with my iPhone. How do you repair it? I want to get it repaired. So they will give you immediately they will give you the charges that this much should cost, and they, or either they will keep it for a day and they will try to analyze it, diagnose it, and they will get back to you. So that is how it is. Then again, support from the team members. Now support from the team members for a direct affiliate is because let's say, I mean, we it's not only me, we have a series of people who are doing affiliate businesses. So we are a whole team of members. We are 30 members, 40 members in the group. So if I'm not able to help you, you can ask people in the group. So we have a community. We have built a Facebook community where people can ask questions about that particular niche product. What is the problem? And anyone in the community can answer the questions for you. So now, before going ahead, now I would like to show you an affiliate product. So before going to the affiliate product, I would just like you to sign up on this particular link which I'm sending it to you. Everyone, please just log in and put in your name and email ID on this particular site.
Murtaza uncle,
Yeah.
લિંક ટેક્સ્ટમાં આવ્યું છે, એટલે આઈ કેનોટ, મેં લિંકને અપ્રોચ નહીં કરી શકતો, એટલે એઝ અ મેસેજ આવ્યું છે.
So you just copy paste over there, maybe on a website or something.
ઓકે ફાઇન, મેં બ્રાઉઝર પર કોપી પેસ્ટ કરી દઉં છું.
Yeah, copy paste. So now let me introduce you the product is $25 up. Everyone must have got the screen where you must have entered your name, email ID, and phone number, and then it is asking you for a captcha which you have entered over here, and you'll go into it. Okay, so this is basically it is. For example, let me just enter for you. So this is the product, $25 up. So this was just to show you how affiliate marketing works. Now you have this particular link. You'll be getting a landing page. This landing page you will be provided to you once you take $25 of program. And now in this there are multiple commission sources. There is a gold source which is $25. There is a platinum for $100 and diamond for $250, and up entrepreneur plan which is of $500, and even up to $2,000 also there are plans over here that I'll show you in detail over there. So this is particularly, you will be getting this landing page. Now these are the products. Now let me go into the $25 up program first. Before that, first let's discuss what is $25. Why direct affiliate marketing? Now direct affiliate marketing is because you require very minimum resources. What you require is internet and mobile and a laptop. Laptop is better because I mean you have a much dashboard space, and you can work out more better with ease. So a laptop is always advisable. Minimum investments, very very small investments. So people who are newbies into affiliate marketing can work with very very small investments. Like any business requires investment. If someone is saying if you have to work for free and we can generate income for you, it will not be possible. Even if it is possible, it is going to be very difficult. For example, let's say if you are talking about affiliate marketing over here, when we talked about Amazon links, you have to promote these Amazon links. So it's not just that I just promoted this link to one particular customer, to one particular friend of mine, and I'm going to get a business. I need to post this to at least 1,000 customers, and I will get a 2% conversion ratio. Always on online, there is a 2 to 4% conversion ratios. So where are you going to get 1,000 clients from? It is not possible for you to get 1,000 clients. So I mean, this business is tough, and you require patience, you require time. So if it's free, it would take you around 10 to 12 months to master the art of affiliate marketing in Amazon. So it will be a very tough job for you. So without investment, I mean, investment just makes it much more um, easier for you, and you have an assurance that things are working. You are buying it from a direct party. uh, in Amazon, you're just posting a link. Tomorrow if your link there is no sales, you cannot sue Amazon for it. You cannot take Amazon to courts that I have posted my links and I don't get returns. I'm not getting income. So that is the thing, you know. But here, when I mean, if you are working for $25 up, since we are directly related to the company, $25 up, we can tell the company, okay, what are the problems I'm getting. They will try to resolve. Then again, we as a team also are sitting in India who will try to resolve your problem. Another thing is you can work from home. Like uh, let's say if like right now it's lockdown, so you have 24 hours. I mean, you have unlimited time to work for you. The whole time is for you. You want to work 8 hours a day, it's more the harder you work, the more results you will get. uh, Tomorrow, like let's say again your work starts and you're back again at jobs. So tomorrow you'll say I don't have time. So at home, if you can you can give 2 to 3 hours per day is enough. 2 to 3 hours of per day is enough for you. Means in daily, in weekly you're getting giving 50 hours, and you sure to get business, you know, from this. So 2 to 3 hours, no, monthly 50 hours is enough for you to generate 4 to 5 sales in the start. So like how I said, you have to just work 2 to 3 hours. What is the commission over here? Commission rate is 90% over here, and the payment is transferred immediately to your bank, one to one. Today you get a sales. Today, the same time, immediately the payment is transferred to your account. So that's the ease of $25 up. So now let's go more into $25 up and see what it is. Now here you see the dashboard. Now why I told you is this is a SaaS product. SaaS product is because it is software as a service. So this is a SaaS product. $25 has a complete dashboard. In this dashboard, which level you are right now. I have paid $100. I'm into platinum level. If you pay $25, you get into gold level, and I showed you if you paid uh, $250, I think so. It is a diamond level. So every step you can go ahead over here. So these are different things. Then these are different accounts. I mean, here it is how to set up your accounts, what all requirements are there for setting up your accounts. Then um, uh, confirmation of payments will you have this thing. Now, all the people who have subscribed, all their names have come into this list, and now we can again, you know, retarget these people. Let's say if today if a person has not subscribed, why he has not subscribed? He has just entered the first level. Why he has not gone for a gold line? Why he has not gone for platinum line? So we can retarget people over here. Then there is commission. So then there are different levels. Platinum product has extra features. Gold levels has lesser features. So let's go to the funnel pages over here. A funnel is usually, what is a funnel? A funnel is um, is a process of conversion of a client. Like first a client is a prospect, and then he enter first, like when he just fills in this page, he becomes a lead. And when he purchases, when he has intent to purchase, he becomes a prospect. And finally, when he buys the product, he becomes a customer for you. So these are different landing pages. You can choose from the landing page whichever you like for your customers. Like you can just go to this particular page where it will ask a series of questions to the customers. I can promote this thing. How did you hear about us? What is your desired monthly income? So this will give me more information about my particular target customer, whatever he wants to earn over here. So he can submit a survey, and from there onwards, I can try to uh, get a business from him. Then let's go to other parts of it is the leadership board. Now this leadership
મસૂદ અંકલ,
board, yeah,
હવે આ મેં જોઈન $21 અપ કરીશ તો મને આ બધું જોવાશે ને મારા ફોનમાં.
exactly.
એટલે મેં એમના should I just do it right now?
Yeah, you can do after. Right now we are just talking about the program over here. So after this also you can just do it over here. It doesn't matter. Now, right now it would be better you concentrate on the what we are talking about, and later on
Yeah.
you can get into
Because it kind of seems like it's a lot of thing at the same time, right?
No, don't worry about the complexities. That's what I'm trying to tell you. Don't worry about the complexities. We are there to help you. Just understand what is this program, what is this direct affiliate system, and then you can decide for your own. So
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
you can understand that. So like all these are the top affiliators of last 7 days, like Sumit Sethi, Ayaz Mohammed, Gyandev Gupta, Devender Goswami. Now these are the top affiliators in for $25 up. And even last 30 days also they have been the top affiliators. And this is the world level board. This is weekly, this is monthly, and this is the world level board where you can see Sumit Sethi, Ayaz Mohammed, and Gyandev Gupta. These three are Indian. And by the way, TJ Holloway, he is the creator of the program of $25, and he's on 5th position. And people who are just affiliators have gone topper than him. So isn't this amazing? Even the affiliate marketer who's there, I mean, who has created the product is in 5th position, but Sumit Sethi is on the 1st position over here. So, I mean, I'll show you more proofs about this product over here. Yes, we have like this Ayaz Mohammed, who is the top leader. We have his video in Hindi.
ऑनलाइन बिजनेस करके महीने का 70 से 75 हजार तक कमाना चाहते हैं, सिर्फ 2 से 3 घंटा काम करके. Hi, my name is Ayaz Mohammed and I am a leading affiliate marketer.
So he completely explains you the process. I mean, I might not be a pro in affiliate, I mean, this particular product, but I can help you. And even if you have, I have my upper line of people. Ayaz Mohammed is there, Sumit Sethi is there, who can help you with affiliate marketing over here, with the $25 business over here. So, I mean, we are a big team. We are a big team. Just let me show you over here example. Now, this is over here. This is the group over here. We have a Facebook group where we are members. You can just see the members over here. 1,589 just in India alone. So any of these members, you can just contact us. This is Mohammed, this is Mursa Ali, me, Ayaz Mohammed, Kadam Sai Charan, Ayaz Mohammed again over here. There are groups. Anyone in the group you can contact, and you can just, you can put up your questions. Proof of incomes over here of $25 up. Everyone, whenever becomes a part of the $25 up, we promote them into the group. We welcome them in the group, and we name them in the group just to give them the motivation over here. So everyone is every day within last 5 hours. This Mohammed Shafi has become a gold and a platinum member. So every second there is a new joining over here. So you must be seeing that. So these are there. This is now the Indian group only. Now let me take you the US group. This is the TJ Holloway, who's the designer of the product, who's the moderator, TJ Holloway. This is his group, and this is a world level group. You'll get support from here also. Any questions you have over here? There are people all across the world, be it from US, UK, everywhere. People have been joining this group, and you can just put up your questions, and it's ready to answer you. People will answer you easily on this platform over here. So there is lots of helps. Plus we have our WhatsApp group also. Let me share your WhatsApp group also. Like we have a this is just to show you that we have a WhatsApp group also, and there also we can give support over here. So we have multiple channels where we can help you around with things. We ask questions, you get answers. This is how because why we are helping each other is no person can rise easily working alone. When you work with a team, every person in the team can earn. So I mean, we help each other to grow together as a community, and that works better. So with that, you must be seeing lots of lots of people getting sales. So if anyone is stuck is in a sale, can be helped by the other person over here. Like you would be going to and seeing. I'll show you my Facebook ads. Now this is like how I invited you today to the seminar. So like this, people these are the kind of ads we give to people. We show on Facebook, on Instagram, on LinkedIn also. There are LinkedIn ads also. This is my LinkedIn profile. I can give ads on to LinkedIn. You can go to any social media platform. And by the way, these are all organic ads. We are not running paid ads on affiliate marketing right now. You can go to a second level and you can go to paid organic ads. You can run ads from FB. You can run ads from Insta also, even from TikTok also, and you can start earning. So it's all up to you. But usually I would tell you to start from a organic source. Just take a $25 or $100 would be all the more better, because why? Because I mean, a $25 and a $100 program is the same, and you have to make the same efforts into the business if you're running a $25 program or a $100 program. But in a $100 program, you're getting more features over there, and plus, I mean, it's easier for you to have. Let's say for $100, you might need just to click 2 sales, and you're getting $200 for a month. So you have to work only on 2 sales. Whereas for a $25 up, you will have to work for 8 sales. So which is much easier. The extent of hard work is same in both, whether it be the $25 or $100 program. It might be the same. It is the same. So I mean, let's say other things are also there, like how do you pitch in your client? How do you? Everything is there in the resources section of this thing, because since it is a SaaS software. Now, what is a $25 up program is? It teaches you how to do marketing, how to do affiliate marketing, how to do Facebook ads, how to do Insta ads. When you go to the resources section of it, so this is how it is. When you go to the resources section, you are given the complete mindset, like the system training, how it takes place. The complete videos are available for you. How you have to get your payments from your clients. That videos are there. Even text help is there. Now, when you into a gold level program, and let's say you want an ad copy, what ad copy you would write? You would be writing for it. You have the complete ad copy over here. See, this is the ad copy which you can write. 100 different ad copies over here. Just take this and you have to copy paste it into the group over there. So it's that easy. You can this is Facebook posts and tweets. You can just on Instagram, on Twitter and Facebook, you can just take this and copy paste. But usually I would say, like, if you want to be more innovative, you copy this and then you modify it to your own just bit modify it, so you can get a better leverage over others. So that's how you have to be innovative. You have to use different designing skills. Like you can go to Canva and you can design stuffs over here, like how I have done over here. As I've gone to Canva and I've designed this stuff over here. This is what I have designed. This is my own article which I have written over here, content. So that you will get, you have a pre-sales letters over here, but you will be able to again design your own mails also. Even if you want for email, you have email list over here. What are you going to write to your client? Email 1, email 2, email 3. So these are sequences of email also. What should be your first email? What should be your second email to your client? Third email to your prospect? Fifth email? How you convert, the process of converting your client. Everything is explained. All what you need to do is just participate into this. And then from then onwards, we can give you a complete know-how of how to do this. Then there is a technical support also. If you want any technical support with the system, let's say with the system you're having any problems, go into technical support. And then I said you like gold level access is there with $25 up, $25 you'll be just getting access to this particular screen. Whereas for the platinum, you will get extra leverage to Facebook training, YouTube training, Instagram training. This will not be available for the $25 up. The higher the ticket, the more access you will be given over there. Here you just saw Shubham has just joined in. So it gives you even people who are just joining in, the latest joinees also. So I hope everyone has understood that right now. And if there is any questions about affiliate marketing or anything regarding to affiliate, it's not. I'm not just trying to pitch you for $25 up. If anyone has anything about learning about affiliate marketing, also you can ask questions over here, or you can later on approach me on this my WhatsApp number, or you can join our FB community. Just give me a DM, send me a message on private, and I will join you to the group once we are on this, and we can discuss our issues over here. So right now is the question answer sessions over here. If anyone wants, is free to just put up questions, and I will be able to answer you. Anyone? Ali Asgar Bhai, Hussain Bhai, Mohammad Bhai, Moiz Bhai, Rashida Bain, Tahir, and there is HR. I don't know what's the name.
Hello, Murtaza uncle.
Yeah.
હવે જ્યારે $25 अपनी वेबसाइट पर मैंने हर एक चीज बताता था ना
जी,
तो वहां पर नीचे लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में बॉटम
Okay.
लेफ्ट में नोटिफिकेशंस आवता था जो उस्मान समथिंग परचेज
Right.
समथिंग
Yeah.
तो लाइक હવે કોઈ 20 हाँ जो recently purchased hosting fees, recently purchased $25 membership.
Yeah.
So how much these people are paying?
That's what I'm saying. Here is the dashboard. There are different types of products. Hosting fees is the first $10 which goes to the $25 company. This is because they are giving you the platform, and the rest.
Where can I get
commission.
the?
I'm trying.
Where can I get? Where can I see how much I have to pay?
That's what I'll show you. When you buy the gold level, you have to pay
Yeah.
$25.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine.
$25 for the gold level and $100 for the platinum level. Right
So-
now we are doing only this. We are into this only. And then diamond level you can go after when you are very good enough with things. This is a $1,000 program. Then there is enterprise level, elite level. So lots of things are there. These three levels are more than enough. $10 fee is a hosting fee because you will be getting the panel access, and then from $25 is if you want to sell a ticket of $25, then you will enter into a gold level, and if you want to sell a platinum level ticket, you will go into $100. If you pay, you will get into the platinum level.
So I am paying these $25, $100, and $500, getting into these levels, right?
Yeah, these levels, and the
And
higher
then-
level you go, the more access you have.
Okay.
Feature
And
accesses.
yeah, the more access I have, the more ads I have.
Yeah, more ads you have, plus that is the level of ticket you can sell. Now if you are at platinum level, you can sell platinum, you can sell gold, you
Okay.
cannot sell diamond.
Yeah.
So
मतलब
that is okay.
मैं પ્લેટિનમ લેવલ પર ઘણી બધી ગોલ્ડ અને પ્લેટિનમ નું બી કરી શકું છું
બરાબર right.
અને ઈ એડ્સ ને મેં સેલ કરીને પછી મને અર્નિંગ મળશે.
Exactly. And this is not MLM, or this is not network marketing. People do confuse this with affiliate marketing with MLM and network marketing. Why it is not MLM, why it is not network marketing is I'll tell you. When you go for MLM marketing, like you give a particular person 100 rupees, and then you have to
Yeah.
create down the line you have to create chains. There you are not selling a product. Here we are selling you a product. What we are selling you is we are selling you $25 up. Now $25 up is a product. It is not It is just not like, even if let's say you're not selling $25 up to anyone, it's a business
Yeah.
for you. It will show you how FB ads are running, how do you create emails, how do you it has videos of how to do YouTube videos, it has Instagram videos, how you can market all this digital marketing platform. It completely gives you information about digital marketing, so it's
એટલે
it's a
આ મને
product, it's a product in itself.
okay.
So it's a
Okay.
product which we are remarketing to our clients. And second thing, now if I sold, like let's say Tyre, you are there, and if I sell this
Yeah.
product to you, now what happens is I get this commission of $100. Let's say if I'm selling you a platinum, I get this $100. And tomorrow, if you sell it to a third person, I do not get
Yeah.
that commission anymore. The commission is all you get. Now, if you, let's say if you make 10 sales, out of 10 sales, your first sale commission comes to me. Then second to the 10th sales, the commission is totally yours. I do not get
Okay.
anything in that. So there is no down the line program. Okay.
Okay.
So that is not MLM. Second thing, it's not like networking. What networking is like Vestige. Vestige is a product like Vestige or Modicare. You bring in a product and then you say, okay, you have to invest 25 lakh into this, and then you have to promote this products to 10 people, and then you will get commissions, and then you will get these many points and all. There's no pointing system. There is no minimum sales system over here. Nothing. The more you sell, the more business you get, and that is a direct product you're selling over here. It's just one direct product you have bought. Even if you, like I told you, even if you're not selling anyone, it is helping you because it is a course in itself. It is a digital marketing course which you have bought for yourself, and you sell it. You cover the cost only in one sales. Rest everything is your profit. Every time you sell it to a second, third, fourth person is your profit.
Shukran.
Yeah. Anything else? Anybody else has a question over here? I'm not talking about $24 app. If you have anything related to digital marketing, you can ask me. There's no problem. I mean, my intention was just to show you affiliate marketing, but anything with digital marketing, you can ask me, because I've been doing that since last 4-5 years into this business. So I'm good with that. I'm good at running FB ads. I'm good at running Instagram ads, TikTok ads, Google SEO also. I do that. You can ask me any questions you want. Mohammad Kheriwala says, you will get payments monthly or daily. Payments you will get the same time by whatever, like let's say if today, if you have signed up a customer, you will get the same time instantly. You will get a payment in your account. Mohammad Bhai Diwanji, you have said what products this website sells. Which particular website are you talking about? Should I switch on everyone can unmute themselves? So I mean, anyone can speak over here. If you want, you can speak. Anyone can speak over here.
Murtaza bhai,
Yeah.
for example, મને હવે Instagram પર hello.
Yeah, I'm listening to you.
Yeah. For example, મને Instagram પર એમ ad નાખવી છે
जी.
એ લોકોના વાસ્તે જે લોકોને followers નહીં મળતા.
Okay.
For example, people who want to be social media influencers but they don't know how to get the followers.
Okay. So you can run. You can directly run from Instagram also, like boosting power, or you can run from Facebook ads, from the ads manager, Facebook ads manager. Since
तो
Facebook
मैं-
is a part of Instagram, so
For हाँ
you
तो
can.
હવે मैं
Sorry.
No, my question is, for example, મને social media influencer મને કોઈ મારા friend મને કહે છે I want to be a social media influencer, help me to get followers, right?
Yeah. Okay.
તો હવે मैं $21 up પર જઈને કેવી રીતે એને help કરી શકું છું?
No, see, $25 up is showing you how to run the ads. Okay. Now,
એટલે મતલબ મને
$25 up is a program which is showing you how to run Instagram ads. Now, if you want to promote Instagram, I mean, if you want to promote $25 ups, you can go and promote $25 up. If you want only to run Instagram ads, then it will show you. It shows you, like, you come over here, you create an ad over here, and then within the ad you will say that I wanted to market it to which platform.
Okay, for example, મને મારા Instagram page ની મારા Instagram ના page ની
I'm showing you over here. Don't worry.
yeah.
I understand over here. See, now this is an ad on when we come to this level of the ad. we can decide over here.
આ તમે ફેસબુક પર છો?
Yeah, Facebook Ads Manager. But from Facebook, we can run Instagram's ad. I told you, like, so here you can, like, I'm showing you into manual placements when we come over here. In manual placements, you can run ads from where you can you can run ads into feeds. Now this is Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, Facebook
Yeah.
Marketplace, video, everywhere, even stories. So you can check out what you want. If you want only Instagram, you will check out everything else. Okay.
હા, મને ખાલી ઇન્સ્ટાગ્રામ જોવે છે.
Okay, so now you're good to go for Instagram only. When you say Instagram over here, so it will go to Instagram only over here. So
ના ના, એ મેસેન્જરમાં બી જશે.
no, I have deselected Messenger over here, no? So only Instagram
fine.
has been the selection over here. Instagram feeds, Instagram stories, Instagram explore.
Yeah.
So this is how you run an Instagram ad over here.
The same thing can be run on $25 up, right?
$25 up also, or if you want to like the particular person he wants followers, so you have to create an ad copy for him. What is
but-
the key about? For example, I will show you my Instagram website.
મતલબ મેં એના વાસ્તે ad create કરીશ $25 upward.
No. $25 app is just to show you, educate how to run ads. Ads you can do run on Facebook Marketplace, on Facebook on Ads Manager. You're not
Okay,
going to
fine,
run the
I'll
ads on $25. That is
I'll
just an
I'll
education
contact you.
platform for you.
Yeah, fine.
Okay, like now if I want to this is my account. Okay, and if I want to get followers, what I would do, for example, this is my particular product over here, this is what I want to market. So I will go into this, I will go into over here, and I will choose my carousel over here which I want to run over here, and then I will market that to the people, and then I can give the target to whom I want to run. So here targeting is like mine is Amazon people who come buy from Amazon, people who buy from Snapdeal. Okay, so this is my target client. I'm talking about it. Now if you want Instagram over here, so you would choose Instagram over here, or you could choose who are the top digital marketers in Instagram. Like if you know someone over here, let's say, or even if you don't know, you just choose Instagram, so you take suggestion, it will give you what all suggestions are there. So it will give you suggestions over here. If you let's say people who use Apple, people who use Salesforce, so these are there. So lots of this targeting is there. You can go to a niche targeting, you can go to a broad targeting. It depends upon you. Anyone else has a question or something? Well, if there's no questions, I think so I would be ending the session here. If anyone has any questions, can you just put it up? Ali Asgar Bhai, question to do Ali Asgar Zakir. Do all affiliate marketing products have infinite lifespan, or some do have? Well, it depends on the source. You know, every affiliate marketing product, their products are defined. For example, if you are selling a diet program, keto diet, a keto diet is a supplementary diet, so it will finish. You know, it could be a 1 month stock. So next time again that has to be done. There are yearly programs also. There are lifetime programs. Now $25 is a lifetime program. You just have to pay a $25 or $100, and it's there for lifetime. The product is there for you. You are a part of that system for all updates till lifetime. You don't have to do anything else. How does FB charge per ads? That's a very difficult question, Mohammed. FB charges, I mean, you have to see what is your product cost. I mean, what is the cost of your product? What until what level are you are willing to pay for the ads? Let's say if you buy a $40 product, selling price of a product is $40. So maybe I would go and give $5 has ads over there. So I can spend up to $5 over there. If my price goes higher than 5, I will stop the ads. So that is upon us, you know. I mean, that is a technical. You will have to. I mean, you have to master the FB ads. So for that, and usually I would say a conversion which is around $3 to $4 is good, provided you are selling 3x the price of what your product is. For example, if your product is $10 and you're selling at $30, so you can spend up to $3 to $5 for a product at that cost. I don't think so. $3 to $5 is a good price for a conversion for a $40 product. So do we have any website with charges per piece sold on Amazon or Flipkart? Mohammed Diwanji, I'm not able to understand your question. I mean, the chat is open. Can you just, the mic is open. Can you just speak on the mic?
हेलो
Yeah.
सर व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज કે અગર મેં ફેસબુક એમેઝોન પર કે એના પર મેં સેલિંગ કરું છું
બરાબર.
અને મને એમના ઓર્ડર્સ જોઈએ છે વધારે, તો ઓર્ડરના વાસ્તે કોઈ એવી વેબસાઇટ છે કે જે મારા પ્રોડક્ટને પ્રમોટ કરે અને મેં એને પર અમને સપોઝ અમે 10 પીસ એના રેફરન્સથી વેચાય, મેં 10 પીસ પર જ એને કમિશન આપવું પડે, એવી રીતે કોઈ વેબસાઇટ છે કોઈ?
For
I
that,
don't have to.
no, there are too many things which you're talking about. You're talking about Amazon also, and you're talking about your own website also.
No, I'm talking about Amazon website only.
If you're talking on Amazon has a complete marketing place. Amazon has Amazon PPC. You don't run FB ads, you don't run Insta ads. When you want to get your product on Amazon listing on the top, you see sponsored ads many times when you go to the Amazon site, right? If I click any one of these products, I don't know if it will show you over here, because right now, I mean, Amazon India is not working. Let's go to Amazon US. Okay. Amazon US is also hopeless. Let's go to Amazon Japan, because I deal in Amazon Japan for your information. So I'll just show you Amazon Japan, because there is no lockdown in Japan for over there. So let's say if I want notebook stand. Okay. So you see the sponsored ads over here. So this is run through Amazon PPC, pay per click. Suppose if I click this particular site, so I'm paying this person who is advertising this product is paying for the charges. So he'll get pay per click. So how many clicks are over here are there? That's how, I mean, pay per click is not necessary. If the person buys, then only he will get his business. Okay. So there are two things, Amazon affiliates and Amazon FBA and Amazon FBM. I do Amazon FBA. I do Amazon this thing also, affiliate links, which I showed you previously. This is affiliate links. Amazon FBA is different. Amazon FBA is what is like, I buy my products on wholesale. Now let's say if I have this notebook product, I will go to Alibaba. Okay. Okay, and I will search for a notebook over here, because you know Alibaba is the topmost e-commerce site in the world, you know, for selling any products.
Yeah, right.
And I just say notebook over here. So you see this, I can't show you those exact, because I have to research it over here. So like this is an example. Now this is a $3 stand. And when I come to Amazon over here, how much it is being sold for? Pricing is not over here. Okay. For this is like around 3,899 yen. 3,899 yen to dollar to USD. So it is $36. You saw the this thing. Let's say how, I mean, what is the price? So that is how products are sold. People buy purchase this over here, but then are lots of things involved. When you say like you must be thinking, okay, I bought I buy a product for $3 and I will just make a I'm selling it for $36, so I make $33 as profit. That is wrong. You have to calculate lots of things, you know. You have to calculate your shipping prices from China to
India.
China to Japan. Then you have to calculate the Amazon fees, Amazon warehouses fees, Amazon PPC ads. So like that's what I said. When you bring a product which is $3, you have to sell it at least up to counting all these fees you have to make. Usually we have a standard of selling it 3 to 4 times or 5 times, you know. So we get in the end we get a margin of $10 to $15. Now I have been subscribed to this seller portal over here. Seller Sprite is the best for Amazon. I mean, like there is Jungle Scout which works for Amazon, Amazon US and Amazon India. Seller Sprite works for this thing for Japan market. So it will show me. It will show me now what is my Amazon FBA fees and how much sales is going on. How much? What is the ranking over here? What is the rating of this product? What are the reviews? Which product I can sell the best? So it gives me a complete analysis, you know.
Sir, which
Seller Sprite.
website was there for India?
India also you can go for Seller Sprite.
Seller Sprite only.
Seller
Okay.
Sprite. This is my account. I'll show you. So this is complete, you know, it gives you a complete screen. Like you are, you especially want for FBA, no? I will give you a short course in FBA also. Not right now because right now it's I'm more into affiliate. So just when the Japanese market, I'm right now Japanese products are there, but China se availability nahi ho rahi hai, so I have just stopped a bit of a Japanese market. So when I start with Japanese market again, I will show you how to run how about Amazon FBA also. I will show you. So here you can do keyword mining, you can do keyword research. It works for a lot of markets you have. These are the 4 to 5 marketplaces where you can deal with. Germany also. There is India also here. The list. Competitor lookup. So it has lots of, and by the way, this is a paid portal. Seller Sprite. Jungle Scout also is a paid portal over there. It has a monthly subscription fees over there. So with that, you get the inner analysis of how you have to calculate your margins on Amazon, whether you will be profitable or not, and how you're going to sell your product. So that is total Amazon FBA. And affiliate marketing is totally different. Affiliate marketing is just like you just get the affiliate links and you just get a small commission of 10% over here. Or I mean, even Amazon has reduced the commission right now, which are all commissions which were up to 4.5 has been reduced to 1% only for the COVID cases. I don't know in future if they will increase their commission margins for affiliates. But Amazon FBA is not Amazon affiliates. It's totally different because you are the seller. You are the seller on Amazon Marketplace. So you can sell according to your choice, whatever you want. You see people are selling the same product with different prices over here. This is 5599 over here. This is 3899. So and this is 28003. So everyone has their freedom of choice. You know, you decide your selling price for the product.
Okay.
So that is the Amazon FBA.
Thank you,
Because
sir.
you are a seller. You are not. You're not an affiliate.
Market. Okay.
So you are a seller. So you sell it according to your own wish. But again, then you should be having better quality than the other people. Your reviews should be good. You should be good ranking. You should be doing PPC ads. You just don't bring a product and just put it on Amazon. I mean, let's say if you're Amazon, why I have not covered Amazon over here, Amazon FBA in this course is because I wanted to people with minimum investment who want to go in with very, very minimum amount they can invest. Or I mean, they can do affiliate marketing. But for Amazon, when you're doing in Amazon FBA, you have to bring at least 300, 400 products from China and then supply it to Japan, Amazon FBA. And it will be there in the warehouse. You will be charged for until it is there in the warehouse. So that there'll be a warehouse fees. Plus, there you have to run PPC daily because you have to make sure that you want to sell out the product as soon as possible. You know, you don't want to get Amazon FBA charges again and again. So those all things are involved. So that is the big complex process, and you're talking about investment of minimum 5 lakhs over there. At least if you should be having a safe investment of 5 lakhs worth to spend on Amazon FBA, because then only you will be getting good prices. You cannot just buy one product from Alibaba, because Alibaba also has a minimum quantity depending on products and depending upon the suppliers. Different suppliers have different quantity. Some might have 300 has a quantity, some might have 1,000 pieces as their quantity. So that's how it is.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Anyone else? Any questions? Okay, so I think so. This is it. If anyone wants to, get back to me, I've just left this links over here. This is my WhatsApp number, and just DM me, and I will get through the FB community. Also, I will join you to my community where we can discuss over there, and Facebook group also we can create, and we can discuss over there. I think so. I've explained about affiliate marketing. My next course, probably as soon as the China market starts back and I'm able to order from China, I will be doing a course on Amazon FBA also. And I hope everyone enjoyed the show. And if you liked it, just give me a thumbs up or just say a yes.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure. Okay. So I'll just take your leave. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Bye.